a freedom fighter who brought independence to Indian drug industry, which was totally dependent on importing drugs. An ultimate inspiration who created 5,800 crore and a share value of over 10,000 crore from just 25 lakhs of investment. A legend who gave a call to the nation to be a part of Pharma Revolution, stating, "One medicine can change the way people live. Why don't you be a part of the revolution which makes people healthier, live longer, and lead better quality of life?" A positive thinker who said, "We must show that there is good in the society. If people read newspapers, they think there are only crooks in the world, which is not true." A visionary who changed the perception of the world that India is not a copycat nation but a potential innovator. A true humanitarian and philanthropist who is providing safe drinking water and food for over a million people every day and sustainable employment for over a million people. He is Dr. Kallam Anjireddy, the founder of Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, which is the second largest pharmaceutical company in India, which is the first to establish Drug Discovery Research Institute in India, which is the first Asian pharma company to list on New York Stock Exchange, and also a company that acquired one of the largest generic drug company, Beta Pharm, in Germany for 2,250 crore. Anjireddy got opportunities to work abroad, finishing his PhD in chemical engineering. But his desire to serve the nation made him work in IDPL, Indian Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited, which gave him a wide exposure on drug manufacturing. After serving IDPL for 6 years, he started his entrepreneurial journey to become useful for maximum people and started Uniloids and later Standard Organics Limited with the association of a few of his friends. His major focus was on bringing the price of medicine to the reach of every common man and to develop an ability to manufacture every drug in India itself, not importing any drug. So to execute his ideas, he decided to establish his own company. So in 1984, he established Dr. Reddy Laboratories. He made the right use of Indian Patent Act 1970, wherein government gave opportunity to produce generic drugs that can be patented abroad. He did not stop his journey as a bulk drug manufacturer, but he went on to the next stage of formulations, that is, manufacturing new drugs, attaining goodwill from every doctor that they produce medicines at affordable prices. In 1993, he established Dr. Reddy's Research Foundation and could raise a capital of 225 crore from international markets to develop it. He got associated with many companies and took over many companies in India and abroad. He established his branches and research centers across the globe, and today he sells his product in over 100 countries. His company has over 8,000 employees, of which around 1,000 people are research scientists. He established Reddy's Foundation, Nandi Foundation, and Livelihood Advancement Business School labs, and helped millions of needy people. He received many awards including Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. One person living for a cause can inspire millions.
Every day, in every way, life is getting better and better. Don't miss to be a part of Venus Skill Training Academy, as you can't miss life.